Welcome to your Apple Update. I'm your host, John Sherrod. And, yesterday on the last video, we talked about the new MacBook Pros that Apple just introduced with up to 8-core processors, which is the first for the MacBook Pro. And so that was sort of the look at the MacBook Pro of today. And now let's kind of dive into rumor territory and talk about what might be the MacBook Pro of tomorrow, figuratively speaking, of course. And there was a report out today. Let me silence my notifications there. And this I'm reading this from a Mac Rumors article, but basically the headline is Samsung rumored to supply OLED displays for 16-inch MacBook Pro in future iPad Pros. And it says, Samsung is in talks with Apple about supplying OLED displays for a 16-inch MacBook Pro in future iPad Pro models, according to Korean site The Elec, which does not have a proven track record in terms of Apple rumors. So basically, they're going off of a Google translation of this Korean website, which is, making the claims about this. And, it's a really interesting rumor. It makes sense that Apple would want to bring OLED to the MacBook Pro line and to the iPad Pro line. Of course, we have OLED displays that Apple first introduced on the iPhone 10 almost a couple years ago, and of course the 10s and 10s Max have them as well. And actually, Samsung being rumored here, that might sound a little weird because of the fact that Samsung makes Android phones, and of course that's sort of a rival to Apple's iPhone business. But Samsung is a really interesting company. They're more kind of a conglomeration of lots of different types of businesses that they're in, and one of those is display manufacturing. And in fact, I believe Samsung actually wound up being the sole supplier of OLED displays for the iPhone 10, and they still make them for the iPhone 10s, but now I believe Apple has added LG into the mix as a supplier as well. So, Samsung being a display supplier for Apple makes a whole lot of sense. That's not surprising. And it's not surprising that Apple would want to do this. OLED screens give you thinner panels. You can make big sheets of it, so you can make a lot of different display sizes. They're very bright. They're flexible. You don't have to backlight them because they provide the light themselves. So the difference between lights and blacks is really good because you're not turning off a backlight to produce black. You are getting like a true black. And that's why if you just compare, a typical LED screen to like the iPhone 10's display with like a black part of the image, the iPhone 10 really looks amazing. And of course, so many of the high-end television sets use OLED displays now because of how incredible that looks. So you can imagine Apple wanting to bring that to the MacBook Pro. The downsides are that OLED is expensive to manufacture, and I'm sure that Samsung and LG and all these various suppliers of OLED panels are working very hard to try to refine their manufacturing process and get that price down. And of course, Apple wants that price down as much as possible so that it can make the profit on the MacBook Pro line, hopefully without increasing the price for increasing it much for the consumer. But yeah, this would be great. Now, interestingly enough, the other thing they kind of slide in there is talking about it being for a 16-inch MacBook Pro. And this is not the first time we've heard this. This rumor has been out there for a while that Apple is working on a 16-inch MacBook Pro. And that might sound a little odd at first because, of course, Apple has a 13-inch MacBook Pro and a 15-inch MacBook Pro. And those are the two sizes they've had for a long time. Of course, they used to make a 17-inch MacBook Pro, and before that, the 17-inch PowerBook. But they haven't had a screen that size in a while. And, at first blush, it might sound like, well, 16 is really close to 15, so that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But I think what we're looking at here, the 16-inch MacBook Pro would be the successor, the replacement to the 15-inch MacBook Pro. That's a larger screen, but if we're talking about a more bezel-less display, like we've seen, for example, with the iPhone 10 bringing that more bezel-less design to a MacBook Pro, then they might be able to keep essentially the same chassis size, but accommodating that larger 16-inch display, and that would be really neat. So, think about the timetable. Apple just released speed bumps for the current generation of MacBook Pro. So probably what we'd be looking at here, if Apple does come out with a 16-inch MacBook Pro, with or without this OLED display, we're probably looking at that as like the next generation with a chassis redesign would be my guess. They wouldn't, announce a 16-inch alongside the current MacBook Pro. What they might do is make this the successor to the current 15-inch MacBook Pro at about the same price point as the current 15-inch MacBook Pro, or maybe slightly more, and slide the current 15-inch MacBook Pro down in price so that they, kind of have another price point to hit there and can kind of keep making some money off of the current manufacturing process they have for the current MacBook Pro. That would not surprise me at all. Timetable on this, who knows? And of course, I'll be really interested to see, does this coincide with maybe a switch to ARM processors designed by Apple instead of Intel chips, as we've kind of talked about that rumor for a while? Or would this be another Intel-powered MacBook Pro? Still a lot of unknowns. I think, again, we're a good ways away from this becoming a product that you can walk into an Apple store and see in person. But really interesting. And of course, always want to take rumor reporting with a big dose of salt because, especially we're coming from a foreign publication that's been translated from one language into another. Who knows what could happen there? And just we don't know, as Mac Rumor says, the track record on this particular website. There isn't a proven track record. So, but it's a reasonable type of thing that you could see Apple at least investigating the possibility of bringing an OLED display. And like I said, we've heard talk about the 16-inch MacBook Pro before. So really interesting to kind of stoke the imagination and kind of see what we might have in a few months for the MacBook Pro. What do you think? Are you interested in seeing an OLED display and a 16-inch MacBook Pro? Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you missed the video I did on the speed bump MacBook Pro updates that Apple did just the other day, I'll go ahead and have that link available on screen. I'll see you next time. This has been John Sherrod, and this has been your Apple Update.